Dominic, salads, they don't have to be boring, do they?
No, and they don't have to be a hot, heavy, creamy mess either. So this pasta salad from Light and Easy is very light. It's super tasty. We're using lovely chicken, corn with a really zesty honey mustard dressing. And Justine, it is very, very easy to put together.
Sounds lovely.
Now, I'm going to start with some vegetables. So the vegetables we're using zucchini, celery, capsicum and red onion. I'm going to start by chopping the zucchini. While I'm doing that, I'm going to get you to start on the honey mustard dressing.
All right, easy. So there's quite a lot of mustard here, seeded mustard.
We do have a lot of seeded mustard. We've got a fair bit of pasta. Now, this is a serving for 4 people.
Right.
So we need a lot of flavour to be able to kind of combat all of that pasta. And pasta doesn't have to be a dirty word or, a word that has a big monster behind it because it's a carb. You know, carbs are actually really good for us. They're great fibre and they also give us loads of energy. So it's something that people shouldn't really steer away from.
Exactly. And I think when you're making dressings for pasta salads, they need to be gutsy and bold because the pasta's going to absorb some of that flavour.
Yeah, absolutely. And pasta on its own is generally quite bland, so you do want like a heap of flavour to be able to kind of really give it that lift and zest. The other thing I love about this pasta salad is that we have an array of colours of vegetables that we're using, and also we're using all of our vegetables raw. So some people may not be like, may not have eaten raw zucchini or think you can eat zucchini raw, but zucchini is delicious raw, and particularly when it's marinated in a dressing. And there's a lot of vegetables that have got vitamins and minerals in them in the raw state, and a lot of vegetables that the vitamin and minerals come out when they're cooked. So it's great to have that variety of cooked and raw vegetables in your diet at the same time.
This is also a great recipe when you've made a pasta dish and there's a little bit of leftover pasta that you haven't tossed through your sauce. Keep it or reserve it, and then you've got another meal.
Yeah, perfect. And look, talking about waste too, Justine, I mean, if you didn't have the time to make this or you can't access the ingredients, Light and Easy are not only suppliers of frozen meals, but they do have a really extensive range of fantastic fresh salads, which means that, you can have this salad ready in minutes. There's no wastage. You're not having to buy all of these ingredients, and it's really convenient that you can just have them in your fridge.
It's a great, quick lunch. So I'm just giving you a hand here.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much.
And I'm sure you could change up the veggies depending on what you have if you're making this at home.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, whatever you've got, whatever you like eating vegetable-wise, you could add in. I recommend throwing the vegetables in now, Justine, so they get a chance to marinate. We will just pop in a little bit of salt and pepper if you can for me.
Yes, a bit of salt.
Zucchini takes on some wonderful flavour once it's kept in a dressing, so it will soften a little bit and take on some really, some of the delicious honey and that kind of zestiness of the mustard.
Yeah, as long as you cut it as fine as Dom has done here, it is so delicious raw. I love it.
Now,
super
I'm just
crunchy.
going to really thinly slice this red onion. You can go a little bit chunky if you like. Now, Justine, we're using some lean chicken breast as well. So all I've done with the chicken breast is simply just seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper and just flashed it in the oven until it's cooked. So you could do that in a non-stick pan or you can cook it in the oven.
And can I put that straight in there?
Absolutely, yeah. So pop that in. Again, the chicken, there's nothing else on there but a little bit of salt and pepper. So that's going to take on a lot of the flavour of the dressing as well.
Great.
And we've also got some beautiful sweet corn. So you can use tinned corn, is perfectly fine. If you've only got tinned vegetables, that's great to have them on hand. They come in really handy, they're convenient, and also they last for ages. So they're a great thing to have in the pantry that you can throw into dishes. I mean, look how fantastic this is looking already.
Such beautiful colours, and I love the smell of that honey mustard dressing. So good.
So look, I would recommend, because we don't have anything in here like tomato or cucumber that's really going to go soggy, I would recommend putting the pasta in.
Yes.
And you could probably leave this even in the fridge for about 10-15 minutes, just for all those flavours to kind of come together.
Sure. And then give it a good toss like
But
this.
the colours are really, really nice, bright, cheerful. I mean, really any time of the year. It doesn't have to be summer to enjoy a delicious pasta salad.
Yeah. I like the proportion here of vegetable to pasta. Maximum veg and a little bit of pasta.
Yeah, and this is how we should really be eating pasta. You want to kind of try and incorporate as many different vegetables, a little bit of protein as well, and loads of different colours. I've got a nice big white platter here to pop all of that onto.
And I may have needed a little bigger bowl. We'll get there.
So Light and Easy really do go out of their way to ensure that all of their meals are as delicious as they are nutritious. And there is so much variety available, and it doesn't mean that you don't have to be on a diet, even if you just don't have time to cook and you just want to eat well. It's a really great option to have Light and Easy in the freezer, in the fridge, just for convenience.
All right, let's pop it onto our platter.
Yeah, beautiful.
We should be letting you do this, doing the honours, this beautiful
No,
salad that you've got here.
I'm going to dig in and have a try. That looks fantastic. I mean, imagine serving that, if you've got your family for lunch, a couple of little, maybe another vegetable dish, and you wouldn't need to because pretty much you've got everything in the one bowl.
Absolutely.
And this is a great one too that you can make ahead of time, and it'd be delicious, the next day, or you can take it to work in a container.
I think this one's going to be really popular. Lots of bright, beautiful vegetables and that gutsy dressing. Everyone loves a honey mustard dressing, right?
Yeah, exactly.